Hey everybody, Mike Wolford here from the Dude's Kitchen, and today we're helping our buddy Chris over at Blind Grilling with a segment he likes to do called Quick Tip Tuesday. Now Chris is an amazing cook and he's blind, right? But unfortunately very recently he and his daughter were involved in an auto accident, so they're taking some time off. So Charlie over at Pickles BBQ, his link's down below. Same with Chris's over at Blind Grilling, they're both down below. Filled in and helped him out a couple times, and I'm going to help him out this time with Quick Tip Tuesday. And we're going to show you how to determine if an egg is good or not. We're going to use our trusty cell phone for these kind of shots, so let's get going. Anyhow, I have two eggs here, 1 and 2. One of them's good, one of them's bad. How do I know that? Well, because one of these eggs, and I'm not even sure which one because they look identical, right? See, they're identical. One of these eggs has been left out for about 3 weeks, and the other one hasn't. So I don't know which is which, but a good egg, when you put it into the water, will turn to its side, right? A bad egg will kind of float a little bit and then it'll kind of come up, and I think it's because the gas is coming into play. So anyhow, I'm gonna mix them up. I don't know which is which, and now we're gonna try it. Here is egg number 1. That one is floating straight up. I don't know if you can quite see it from here. Let me see if I can get a side view of it. Yep, check that out. So I think that's our bad one. I'm gonna put this next one in and see what happens. Look at how it just kind of sits to the side there. Yeah, we got this one that's definitely standing up, and that one's not. So there we go, guys. That's how you determine if an egg's good or not. I think it's called the egg drop test. Anyhow, this one, if I were about 15 years old, I'd probably go chuck it at somebody I didn't really care for, or even somebody I did just for the hell of it, but I'm not opening this bad boy. Ugh. This one I can go back and use, so we're good. There you go, guys. That's our Quick Tip Tuesday. Remember to check out Chris's page at Blind Grilling, links down below. Thank you very much, everybody, for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, share. Remember to check out Chris's page, Blind Grilling. That's right. We wish him the best. We wish everybody the best also for the holidays. We'll talk to you later. And remember, the dude abides with an egg drop test.